Welcome, love. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Allow your body to soften. Close your eyes and take a deep, intentional breath in through your nose. Hold and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let yourself arrive. Let yourself be here. There is nowhere to rush to, nothing to force, only this moment, only this breath. This meditation is a space to release resistance, to surrender the need to control the timing, the process, the outcome, and to trust in the unfolding of your life. Whatever brought you here today, whatever doubts, fears, or uncertainties you're carrying, allow them to be held in this space. You don't need to fix anything right now. You don't need to have all the answers. You only need to breathe. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Feel the support beneath you, the way the earth holds you without effort. Notice the subtle movements of your breath, the gentle rise and fall of your chest. With every inhale, invite in softness, ease, spaciousness. With every exhale, let go of the tension, resistance, any tightness in your body or mind. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest, the heart space, the place within you that has always known how to trust, the place that whispers, everything is unfolding exactly as it should. As you breathe, imagine a golden light glowing in the center of your chest, warm, radiant, steady. With every inhale, this light expands, filling your entire being with trust, with ease, with divine timing. There is a part of you that has been gripping, holding on tightly to expectations, to timelines, to outcomes. See if you can locate where that tension lives in your body. Maybe it's in your shoulders, your jaw, your stomach. Wherever it is, bring your breath there now. Soften unclench, release. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. You are safe to let go. You are safe to trust. You are safe to surrender. Now I want you to imagine placing all of your worries, your doubts, your fears into a small golden bowl. One by one, name them in your mind and gently place them into the bowl. Feel the weight of them. And then visualize this bowl being carried by a gentle stream, flowing effortlessly, being taken exactly where it needs to go. You don't have to hold on to them anymore. You don't have to carry what isn't yours. Now let's invite in trust, the deep, unwavering knowing that your life is aligning in ways beyond what you can see, that everything meant for you is already on its way. Repeat after me, either aloud or in your mind. I trust my path. I trust divine timing. I trust that everything is unfolding in my highest favor. I trust my path. I trust divine timing. I trust that everything is unfolding in my highest favor. Feel those words anchor into your body. Let them settle into your bones. Let them become a part of you. Now imagine yourself standing at the edge of an ocean. The waves move in and then they move out. They don't force, they don't resist, they simply allow. Feel yourself becoming like the ocean, surrendering to the natural rhythms of your own unfolding. You don't need to chase what is already finding you. You don't need to force what is already aligning. Your only job is to stay open. take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself becoming lighter, freer, more at peace. Know that this is trust. This deep sense of surrender lives within you, and you can return to it at any moment. Gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Slowly, when you're ready, open your eyes. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly, breathing into your sacred center. Carry this trust with you as you move through your day. Carry this softness, this knowing, this peace. You are exactly where you need to be. Everything is unfolding exactly as it should.